Why do support and resistance levels actually work? Is it just random lines on a chart?
It's about memory. Traders who bought at a low price remember it, so they buy again when price returns. Same for sellers at highs. That creates predictable reactions.
So how do I find a level that other traders will respect, not just one I drew myself?
First rule, at least 2 touches. A single low is a fluke. 2 pivot lows at similar prices form a tentative level. 3 or more confirm it strongly.
Got it. But should I draw the line at the very bottom of the wick or somewhere else?
Use bodies, not wicks. Closing prices show what the market accepted. Wicks are just rejected extremes. Draw through the cluster of closes, not the long tails.
So it's more of a fuzzy area than a single line? How thick should that zone be?
Exactly. Levels are zones, not lines. Use a thin band. Width depends on volatility, a few % for stocks, tighter for bonds and FX. Test it on your chart.
What if I see a nice level on the 5-minute chart but a different one on the daily? Which wins?
Higher timeframes dominate. A daily support beats a 1-hour support. Always check weekly for major levels before trading shorter timeframes. Big money acts there.
What about volume? Does it matter for drawing these levels?
Yes, Rule 5, volume confirms. A support with high volume at the touch shows real buying pressure. Low volume touches are weak and often break.
Can you give me a real example of how these rules work together?
Take a stock that bounced 3 times at $50 with heavy volume. Draw a zone from $49.50 to $50.50. Price returns, you buy near $50, stop below $49. That's a practical setup.
So how do I actually use these levels for entries and stops without overcomplicating it?
Wait for price to enter your zone, then look for a reversal candle, like a hammer. Place your stop just outside the zone. Target the next major resistance above.
What's the biggest mistake beginners make with support and resistance?
Drawing lines on every wiggle. That creates noise. Stick to clean pivots, higher timeframes, and zones. Fewer, stronger levels beat a dozen weak ones.
Final tip for a beginner investor starting today?
Practice on a weekly chart first. Find 2 or 3 zones with 3 touches each. Mark them with a rectangle, not a line. Then trade only those. Patience beats precision.